Alright fellas, today we're going to do a review on Tiege Hanley after 1 year. What's good, y'all? This is Steve from the Dapper Aristocrat. If you're new to the channel and you want to look good, stand out, get compliments, hit that subscribe button, and don't forget, hit that notification bell so you don't miss any new content. So it's been a year since I've used Tiege Hanley, and I want to share with you guys how I feel about it, what my perspective is, and maybe answer some of the questions that you have about the product. Now, if you're not familiar with Tiege Hanley, it's basically a men's skincare routine product. It's a subscription box that you get once a month, and it's created by Alpha M and his team. You could tell he using it. Their motto is uncomplicated skincare for men, and I'll be honest with you, it is very simple to use. Now, before Tiege Hanley, I didn't have a normal skin routine. What I used to do is what most gentlemen do, and they use their body wash and they wash their face. That's basically what I used to do. My first experience with Tiege Hanley is at Menfluential 2018, and ever since then, I've been using their product. Now, there's 3 levels that you can choose from with this product. The first level includes a facial cleanse, an AM and PM moisturizer, and a scrub. In the second level, you get the same things that you get in the first level, but it also includes an eye cream that helps prevent wrinkles and black marks under your eyes. The third level includes everything that you get in the second level, but also includes a super serum, which helps prevent wrinkles, dark marks, and keeps your skin hydrated. Now, when I started Tiege Hanley, I started with level 2 because I felt like that level would be the best for me, but eventually I scaled it down to level 1 just to save a few dollars. Fortunately, Tiege Hanley just reached out to me and gave me the level 3 pack, which I've been using for the past week. What? You got people sending you product, bro? So I'm going to give you a full review of all the products that they offer. Now, most of the time when you're dealing with subscriptions, you don't have the opportunity to skip for a month. Fortunately, with Tiege Hanley, you can. There were times when I didn't use the product correctly. For example, I might skip the evening routine, and I ended up getting an accumulation of a lot of product. So I would need to skip a month. It'd be great if Tiege Hanley would offer us to be able to purchase the face wash by itself, because I typically use that every day. These products might last me a little longer because I might skip routines, especially during the nighttime when I'm super tired and I just want to go to sleep. The first thing you see when you open the box is this card. This card basically breaks down how you're supposed to use the products, how much you're supposed to use of the products, and it does a very good job of it. But you gotta follow the directions on this card, otherwise you won't experience the full effect of this product and you won't get your money's worth. Some guys claim that they run out of the face wash very often. I believe that they're not following directions of this card. It tells you exactly how much face wash and scrub and all the other products you're supposed to use. So if you follow the directions, you won't run out of product. Now, I like the face wash. It's not too harsh, it's not too strong. One thing about skin washes is that they do a good job of removing all the dirt and grime from your body and from your face. However, they also pull away all the moisture out of your skin. With Tiege Hanley's face wash, they have a few ingredients in their product that are oil-based, which is great for your skin. It helps keep moisture into your skin. That way your skin doesn't dry. Now, they say that these products don't really have a scent, but this face wash does have a small scent, but it's not too harsh and it's not too bad. It doesn't lather like what you're typically used to. It's more of a face wash, more of a cream, had a few hints of oil in it, so it may not lather pretty well, but it is cleaning your skin and it's keeping the moisture locked into your skin as well. There have been times where I was washing my face and I got the soap in my eyes and it burned. So just be on the lookout for that. Now, with the AM moisturizer cream, one thing that's great about it is that it has sunscreen in it. Hey man, why would I need sunscreen in my lotion? One thing that we tend to forget is how harmful the sun can be to our skin if we're spending long periods of time in the sun. The sun can be held responsible for causing a lot of wrinkles and a lot of dark marks on our skin. And one thing that keeps your skin looking youthful and not having a lot of wrinkles is sunscreen. Hey bro, you see my face big? This this ain't gonna last me but a week. Now you may look at the tube and you might say, oh, that's not enough to carry you for a month, but you're only using it one time a day and you're not using that much of the product. It works very well at protecting your skin and keeping your skin moist. There have been times where I've used this product and I didn't feel like my skin was moist. I felt like it was dry, but that was mainly in the winter time, so I would have to apply lotion to my face in those situations. But now that we're in the spring and summer months, I don't have that problem. All I do is apply it and my skin doesn't feel dry and I'm good to go. Although it says that it doesn't have a scent, it does. And that may be because of the other ingredients that's included in it, but it's not a very harsh, very strong scent. I mean, you notice it when you put it on your face, but after a while you don't really notice it. The PM Moisturizer Cream works very well. This is the step that I used to miss all the time, but within the past week or so, I've been using this product, and one thing that's great about it is that when I wake up in the morning after using this product, my skin feels moist. A lot of times when I wake up in the morning, my skin kind of tends to be on the more dry side, and when I wake up in the morning, it's not with this product. So I like the face scrub a lot. I use it twice a week, which is recommended. What? Dap, you out here exfoliating your face? We men tend to think face scrubs are for women, but it's not. Your skin is just like anything. It has to shed all the dead and dry skin, and you have to be able to get rid of it. So doing a facial scrub at least twice a week, it does that for you. You're not supposed to use a scrub more than 2 days a week, because after over 2 days, it could become a little harsh to your skin. This definitely worked great during the winter times when my skin was very dry. I would wake up in the morning and have dry skin on my face. I will use this. It will remove all the dry skin. It has that menthol feel to it when you put it on your skin. Afterwards, you feel that menthol tingly scent. Hey, hold on. What Dap is trying to say is the scrub gives you that tingly, warm sensation on your face, and it feels great, kind of like Listerine. In the beginning, I wasn't using enough of this product like it tells you on the card, and I was never running out of this product. This product will probably last me for about 3 months. I read over the card and I said, oh, okay, so the smaller tubes, you don't have to use large amounts. You gotta use small amounts. Not with the scrub. The scrub, you have to use the same amount that you would use of the face wash. Now, I had experience with the eye cream. You're supposed to use this eye cream twice a day, in the morning and at night. And they say that one pump will cover you during the morning and the night, but one thing that I realized is that I was using one pump and it seemed like it was a lot. For me, I think a half a pump works. Now, I'm not recommending that to you guys because I'm not a Tiege Hanley expert, but that's what I do in my experience. Eye cream works very well. Now, one thing that I've had not used was this super serum. I won't lie to you guys, I didn't want to pay $45. $45 was pretty steep for me. Bro, you gotta stop being cheap. Tiege Hanley sent me a box. I saw that the super serum was in it, so I was like, might as well give it a try. And I've been using it since I've gotten the box. I like it a lot. Care about your skin and you want to spend $45, I think it's definitely worth it. They recommend one pump in the morning and in the evening. Hey bro, did you know this provides hydration to your skin and also helps prevent you from looking like one of the Golden Girls? So far I've been using this. I noticed a difference in my skin and I really like this product. Would definitely consider buying this box for $45, but you know, got responsibilities. If you can afford $45 a month for a subscription to Tiege Hanley, I definitely would recommend you get this product, because this particular box, $45 with the super serum and eye cream, it is very good. After using this product for a year, I've noticed a difference in my skin. Before, when I used to use my body soaps and my wife's face wash, oh my God, man, my skin wasn't that great. This has definitely helped my skin in the winter, and it's making my skin look radiant, healthy, and continue to stay even during the spring and summer months. During all months, actually. So in my opinion, I like Tiege Hanley. This is something I will use on a regular basis. It's very simple to use. It covers all the bases that you need to take care of your face and your skin. It's just a great product to invest in. So I want to take this time to thank Joshua and Tiege Hanley for giving me the opportunity to try out the level 3 of Tiege Hanley. That way I can give you guys a very accurate review of the product. So if you're interested in Tiege Hanley, I have a link in the description down below. If you click that link, it'll give you an opportunity to save 20% off your first box of Tiege Hanley. Let me know in the comment section what skin products you use. And as always, remember to be a gentleman, stay dapper, and I'll see you guys next video.